Let's study YouTube. What is a thumbnail and why do I need it for YouTube?
Hello. Okay, so you need 4,000 watch hours in 1 year to become monetized on YouTube and 1,000 subscribers. I personally think that the subscribers are easy to get. It's the 4,000 watch hours that are a little bit tougher. That being said, you can certainly do it. And there are lots of people that get monetized all the time, every year on YouTube for, I think, like nonsense, like absolute and utter nonsense. So why can't it be you, someone who is providing a really great service, a really great channel? Okay. So you've got to think though, what am I doing that is sort of channel ready? Like, what do I watch? What do I look up? What do I like? And then channel it into your YouTube channel. So we are here in my YouTube channel. Let's discuss thumbnails. So you can see some of these channels here have thumbnails and some don't. So this gal right here, Create with Crystal, that is a thumbnail, right? This is not a thumbnail. There is no thumbnail right there. It's just cutting right to the video. So do you see the difference? So this is just a video. This is a video, but it has a thumbnail. It has an image with good words, easy text to see, and block letters right in the very front of it. So I can say, that looks pretty interesting. Exact formula for making $10,000 a month. Hey, sounds good to me. Like, let's click on it. And that's pretty clickbaity. If you hear the term clickbait, some clickbaity terms are like, make $500 an hour doing nothing at home. That's very clickbaity because it's so ridiculous and silly. Of course, you don't want to have anything like that, but you definitely want to have a hook to bring people in because you have like 1 second to get somebody's attention with your thumbnail title. That's why thumbnails are so important. Here's a good one from Jim Gaffigan, a comedian that we like. I ran a marathon. And it's just a picture of him. It's not his video. It's a picture with words and it's still. Let's see some other good ones. So these are all news. Here's someone that I like that I'm going to go ahead and discuss a little bit more. Fitness type, Marishka. And so here is, she does all kinds of different, she's been on forever on YouTube and she has loads of views, every video that she makes, and she has good thumbnails. So it's just her, the background has been removed on her shot, and then she has some cool colors, and then she has very easy, big type to read. That's a good thumbnail. I only make $1 per sale. I think this, I like this gal right here, Angie Bellamare. She has 76,000 viewers. So she is monetized. I think her backgrounds are a little busy though, but that's probably part of her niche. That's probably part of what people like about her. I like this one. Why agents reject your book after 1 page. So it's the gal standing like this in a pose, and then big bold letters. Okay, are we getting this? It's a very easy concept. There's Pocket Full of Primary. It's a teacher, and she makes really good thumbnails. I love Content Bug. She does great thumbnails. So she always does like a face like ah or ee or ah or like posing. And then she does some nice bold letters. This man is really good right here. Record lessons online. So it's not just his video, there's a thumbnail. Okay, so are we understanding thumbnails and how important they are? I like really simplistic, clean ones. So just a picture, a color, and then words. I like that. Let's get cooking. That's sort of cute. Oh, here's another gal I follow, Anastasia Blogger. She has cute ones too. So it just makes my decision of what I'm actually going to watch much easier for me because it's really spelled out. Oh, look at there's Kirsty. Okay, so we see instead of just Kirsten's video and going straight into the video, we see her with a smile. And then we see strength training myths debunked, benefits of strength training, lose weight, lose fat, get leaner, burn more calories. Okay, easy, very bright. It's good. It's a good catchy color. And I am going to say, oh, okay, I need something like this. Boom, there I go. Okay, easy. This is a behind the scenes tour of my YouTube channel. So easy codes for kids, new coding and animation challenges every day. That's the first thing that I see in my behind the scenes tour. And then you should see this or a part of this banner when you go on to my YouTube channel. And this is called a YouTube banner, and you can create it in Canva. I think it's absolutely essential. If you don't have any good pictures, just go ahead and do what I did, which is just a color and some text. And there you go. Like simple is good. Simple is good. Okay, so you can see most of my videos are public and they do have thumbnails. I do have some private videos that I show to as examples to other professionals or teachers or librarians or something. And then I give them a link just to that video. So, and most of those I don't have a thumbnail with because I'm just using them as examples. So, but everything that I show to the public, I have a thumbnail on there because I want them to I want them to watch my video.
Let's go to Sunny Lenarduzzi's YouTube channel.
She has a lot of really great tips. I highly suggest following her and studying her. So let's just go into this video right here, blurred background and more. And let's see what Sunny can teach us. Okay, so the first thing that you notice about Sunny is that she has an ad. So she is monetized. She didn't make that ad. That's just an ad that YouTube put on there, and that's the golden goose that we're all going for.
Equipment for my channel, and even now it's not entirely necessary, so I wanted to.
Okay, so she's talking about blurry videos. So on this video, she has 25 likes from YouTube. She has 4 Twitter mentions. It's been viewed, her channel has been viewed 21 million times. She has 421,000 followers, and she has 319 videos. Okay. Now, don't feel badly. She started out just like us with nobody, and she has a team that does a lot of this stuff now. Now, with this video in particular, it's up to almost 11,100 views, and it has, 1,200 likes. It says I'm subscribed here. Now, this is some important stuff. Sunny always puts her first comment right here and pins it. Thank you so much for watching. Watch this video next. Okay, awesome. So you can tell people where to go next. I tell people to go to my website. Maybe at some point in time, I'll tell people to go to my next video if I can get it together and like have a sequential where it makes sense. That might be a really nice tip to have. And then people do all kinds of replies here. And, great video. And then her team usually gets back to you if you have a question, comment, that type of thing. So if you want to get in touch with someone, this is a good place to get in touch with them. All right. Now, let's go over here to, you can see her tags. Record YouTube videos with iPhone. Sunny Lenarduzzi, her name. How to record videos on your phone. Filming with a smartphone. How to start a YouTube channel. How to film professional videos with an iPhone. All of those tags she put in when you upload your video to YouTube, you have a bunch of different steps that you can do. And one of them is tags. So you want to have a list of tags going. I keep my tags in a Word document. So I just go copy, right click, copy, and I just paste them in. I always have Stephanie Sutton. I always have Easy Codes for Kids, which is the name of my business, in there. All right, let's study Sunny some more. Now, Sunny always has her,
bring it back to the grassroots.
she has her,
Parker Kate blog, who sent me a direct message.
She has her Instagram up here, and then she has a little subscribe message down here, which you can do too. And I like that. I think that's really nice. And then she has, for her title, she has it all caps. I never do all caps with my title. And then she also has hashtags at the top of her title. So like when you go in to make your title for your video, before you do your description, which is right here, and it can be 5,000 words, you have a title and you have, or 5,000 characters. You have in your title 100 characters. So 100 characters for your title, you have 5,000 characters for your description, which is down here. And let's see what's in her description. How I record YouTube videos with my phone. Now, so she took her title, and that's the first line of her description. All right, noted. I don't do that. I do not do that, so maybe I should do that. If you're ready to dive into YouTube, but the equipment is making you feel stuck, you have to watch this video. Here's a detailed tutorial on how to use what you have to make great videos if you want to start making YouTube videos without equipment. I even found a hack to create a blurry background effect with your phone. I got super nerdy with this one. All my ninja tricks to making videos on your phone are in this video. So she is putting lots of keywords into her description, okay? And that's what you want to do, because YouTube is an algorithm. There's no YouTube person just sitting and watching videos. There are dozens and dozens of programs running, and they're saying, what's in here? And how do I categorize this and shoot this out to people who are searching for something? So the more you're putting your keywords in here, the more it's going to shoot out to somebody. Resources and links mentioned in this video. How to edit YouTube videos on your phone like a pro. And then so she has another video link in here. The Focus app. So she has an app to a link to an app that she uses. 3 passive income strategies, 100% evidence-based. This is another video. Once I figured this out, I became a millionaire. That's another video. How I plan my YouTube content, another video. How I make a YouTube channel, 2019 step-by-step tutorial, another video. So basically, she's just selling it. She's just saying, okay, here are all my videos. And then do you like how nicely they're all, they're spaced all so evenly and beautifully. I love that. So again, do this all before you do your video or while it's uploading in a Word doc, and then you're ready to put it in when your video has uploaded, because it takes a while to upload your video. All right, then after she has her other videos listed out, she has coaching. Want to kill it on YouTube? Team Sunny is accepting applications now to work with us in a small group.
Wow, that was a ton of information. I hope you found it useful, and I have a matching PDF for you as well. So look it up, study Sunny, and study your competitors, and I know you're going to do great.